Our online classes provides high-quality learning program, structure and support with the freedom for you to study at your own time, your own pace, and your own schedule from your home, your office, or from wherever you happen to be. You will learn by walking through high-quality pre-recorded video lectures delivered by our expert tutor team. All our tutor team have industry experience relevant to the subject they teach, and they use this to bring your online lectures to life. You will be provided with detailed study guidance and structure, so you are always clear on your next step. Each program is allocated a range of suggestive key dates and reading timetable to guide you and your fellow students on when to get started and finished. Alongside the pre-recorded lectures, you will find the study pocket notes to support your learning and a computer-based testing solution to help you practice and build your confidence as you go. Alongside your learning materials, you will be supported by our dedicated tutor team that will provide guidance and exam tips in the course group. At any point during your program, if you have any question, you can use the dedicated forum to ask questions or chat with fellow students. As well as your tutor team, you will be supported by our program technical support team. They will directly contact you to keep you engaged to ensure you have all the support you need to progress. Choose how to study at your own pace and flexibility. Plan and optimize your time your way.